Hey folks, let's do a guitar lesson on Love Gun by Kiss. I'll talk you slowly through all the guitar parts and do the solo at the end, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along, and we're tuned to E flat for this one, so let's jump in. So for our intro we're going to start on this E power chord, but we're also going to have the open E string there. We do 4 and we're following along with the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have, and then we just play that E power chord. Then we're going to play the open D, and then we're going to play this G chord here. So we're going to have 5 on the D, 7 on the G, and 8 on the B. So we play the open D first, go up 2 frets, back, then play the D power chord, and then the C power chord. Then play the open A string, and we're going to slide from D up to E. So we have, and then back to the D there. And then we just do that part through 2 times. So let me do that up to speed for you. Now this is also very similar to the chorus. From there we have our verse. We're just going to play our E power chord again, do our open D to our G chord, and then D back to E again, and then do our open D to the G chord again, D, C, up to D, and then E. And then we go to an E minor 7, so we have 7A, 9, 7 and 8 there, and we're just going to play that. Then we do the rest the same, open D, G, D, and back to our E minor 7, back to our open D, G, D and C, back to D and E. That's our verse, and then we have our pre-chorus. We go to the A power chord, we come up to the D power chord, up to the E power chord, back to the A power chord, to the D power chord, and then from there we go into our chorus. Let me play that for you. That's our verse and our pre-chorus. From there we go into our chorus. Let's have a look at that. So the only difference between our chorus and our intro is on the slide up we don't play the A before it. We don't do, just play the slide. So I'll just play that last part. Don't do the open A. And we just play it through 2 times. Let's do that up to speed. Then from there we go back to the verse, do that exactly the same, back to the pre-chorus, the same again, then go to the chorus, and this time we do it through 4 times instead of 2 times, and again leave out that open A before we go to the slide. Then we have the build up for the chorus there. It's going to be similar to the intro. We're going to have that E power chord again, playing the open E string, 4, 4 again. This time we're going to do 10 here, and again we're just following along with the drums. And we do that 4 times there, and that's the build up to the solo. So let's do that. finish the song off, just keep playing the chorus there right through to the end. Now let's tackle the solo. So we're going to start with the 10A, 12E, back to 10A, start on the A, go 12, 10, 12, still on the A, go 14, 12, 14, then D, 12, A, 14, D, 12, start on the D, 14, 12, 14, G, 12, D, 14, G, 12, start on the G, 14, 12, 14, start on the G again, 16, 14, 16, come up to the B, 15, G, 16, B, 15, start on the B, 17, 15, 17, to the E, 15, back to B, 17, E, 15, stay on the E, 17, 15, 17, and then to finish that little part off, 19, 17, 15, 19, 17, 15 to 19, come up to 22, do a bend, and then another bend on 22 there. That's the first part of the solo. Then we're coming to the G string. We're going to do 4 bends on the 14th fret with a pinched harmonic there. And then just play 12. Then we're going to do a bend on 14G, play 12E, again bend on 14G, 12E, and then play E, 15, 12, 14, 12, B, 15, back to E, 12. So do that 6 times, and then we go bend on the 14 again on the G, 12, and do that 4 times. 4, and then we're just going to do a run down to finish that off. 12E, 15 on the B, 12, 15, 12, G, 14, B, 12, G, 14, 12, and we're going to come up to the D, 16, 14. Then there's a break, and then we do that again. And we play that through 3 times there. And the last one, we have a harmony on it. We're going to come up to the E, 19, 17, 15, 17, 15, 19 on the B, back to E, 15, B, 19, 17, 19, 17, 15, 17. And that's the harmony there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.